(1967, 1965, 1967, 1968, 1967, 1967.
Okay, we're here right now, early in the morning, around 6 something a.m. And then we're doing like looking for really old coins. This is 25 quarters. And then so far we found like 58 years old.
Yeah, 1965, our oldest.
1965, our oldest.
Not too old, but we're hunting for more old.
Yeah. And that's the coins that Rab saved. So yeah, we found like 1965 to 1999 only.
I'm going to be picking up a big log later on, and Ron's coming up, and we're going to got a bunch of stuff off of his boat, like a lot. I mean, like 2 truckloads of junk that he had on his boat. You know, he's been trying to sell it, and every single cabinet was just stuffed full of, you know, he's kind of a hoarder. So you have just, you know, I go, dude, you don't sell your boat with every single cabinet full of old shit you thought was important to keep. People don't want that. So, you know, Harmony was helping him clean it, so I went down and we just emptied every single cabinet. And he just had to go through all the shock, you know, he's just, you know, a hoarder having to let go. I go, dude, you're never gonna sell your boat with all this crap on it, and it all stinks, you know, like old boat smell. So, anyways, my car is full of it now because there is a lot of good stuff in there. So I'm gonna sort through it and take out the good stuff for the ranch. And then, yeah, some for the Philippines, some for the ranch, and then the track. So, and then I'm going for the log, and I'm dropping off Harmony and Brennan to for their airplane at 12. So that's pretty much it on that front. Sembrina. And so that's exciting. Yeah, so that's all the action. Nova's out here doing something on the front porch in her pretty little blue pajamas, and she's making a video. You can see she's got her camera going.
Hi.
Well, look at how muscly I look in that in her video.
Yeah.
Look, I look like. Why is it?
I know.
Why do I look so muscly in your video? You have some app.
It's so good, boo. Oh my God, Harmony's here.
Oh,
Harmony's here.
Yeah, so it's. Yeah, she likes the kitty, but she gets allergies too. Hi, Purdy. Hi, Purdy. All the girls get allergies. Hi, Purdy. Yeah, she just gets allergies. She really hasn't come out into the house that much yet. Don't go in the bedroom. That's where you're not allowed.
Kitty, kitty.
Ooh, she's going out. First time onto the porch
Oh my God.
to explore around. Look, she's really. Ooh, she saw something and jumped
Kitty,
back in.
kitty,
That's good.
come here, come here.
So she knows where to go.
Come.
I don't know what she saw out there.
You make a sound, that's why you should jump. When you open it.
Here she comes. She likes that when you do. I saw you do that.
Yeah, it's the best now walking.
Uh-huh. Seems really nice to get a nice little walk. It looks kind of pretty with those trees.
Yeah, it's super pretty. It's a 17-minute walk.
Oh my gosh, that's